everybody, it's Lexi, and today is a regular video Friday. So today I am super duper excited because I am going to be doing a DIY squishy tutorial. So if you don't know what a squishy is, it's basically just like kind of like a sponge, but it's like super squishy and stuff. Either way, I am sorry that I did not upload yesterday. I forgot, and I was also very busy doing other things. But yeah, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a DIY sushi squishy. So let's just get right into this video. First, what you're going to need is, or the main things you're going to need is some Elmer's school glue. I would suggest using clear, but you can use any type of glue, tacky glue, anything like that. We're going to be needing some yellow nail polish and some white nail polish. This kind is like kind of sparkly or something. I might actually switch it out because sushi is not sparkly. So I'm going to be using this nail polish instead. And it's just a nice light white. You're going to be needing some scissors. And this is going to be the sushi that has an egg on top of it. So we're going to need the black for some seaweed. You're going to need three makeup sponges. And last but not least, you're going to be needing some pastel. So let's get right into this video. So starting off, I am going to take my sponges, and as you can see, these two sponges are actually very slanted together, so I'm just going to cut them with my scissors, just like across. I'm going to keep cutting them until they're the shape that I like. Okay, Lexi fans, so I have just finished shaping my sushi bottom. And she's looking super cute, and you also want it to look a little textured so that it looks just like rice. Okay guys, so I just actually trimmed it a little more because I realized it was a little too puffy, but now I'm really liking the shape of this. So now I'm just going to simply glue it together with some Elmer's glue. Wait for it to dry. So I have just put I didn't just put the glue on, but I have just let the glue dry. So as you can see, it's all glued together, and it is so squishy. It's nice and squishy. And now I am going just to cut out the egg on the top, which is just a simple thing. Like, okay, yeah. Lexi fans, so I've just cut out the top part, which is like the little egg part that is going to be yellow. So I am just going to glue this. Okay guys, so I have just glued it together and let it dry, and now it's looking like a squishy. So now I am just going to simply take my really used up kind of nail polish thing, and I am going to paint it. So I'm going to start off by painting the bottom white with some white nail polish. Alrighty guys, so I've just finished painting the bottom of the squishy, and it's really looking cute, and I'm just gonna let it dry. Alrighty Lexi fans, so it has been a few hours, and now my sushi squishy is totally dry. This was actually my first time using nail polish or ever seeing it before. And it's actually a little dry, but it's still pretty squishy. You can still like really squish it, as you can see. Okay guys, but as you can see, it is still really squishy and pretty slow rising. So yeah, now I'm just gonna paint on the yellow, and this is gonna be obviously hey Lexi fans, so I have just let it not let it dry, but I have just painted it, and now I'm going to let it dry. I did get a little yellow on the white, but I will go out over that once it is dry. Alrighty Lexi fans, so I have waited a few hours for my little sushi to dry, and he's nice and dry now. Or he or she, I'm not sure what he or she is. But either way, it is. Okay Lexi fans, here is my little sushi squishy after it has been dry. It's not that perfect at the bottom, but That's okay, and he is squishy and pretty slow mesmerizing, as you can Now, what I'm going to do is draw on his, or whatever gender is, his face. So, I'm just going to do 2 dots. Like just a little smile, and here is our squishy. So he is really squishy. He has a little, I'm gonna like touch him up, of course, after. Here is our super cute squishy, and he's really nice and squishy. I know that if you squish him a little bit on the top, you can see the cracks in the yellow. But I don't know. I still think that he's super duper cute, and he's just a little sushi roll. I'm not sure what kind of sushi he is. Tell me in the comments below if you know the name of this sushi. But of course, if you ever make any of my DIYs, then tag me in a photo on Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description box below. And I will see all you wonderful Lexi fans in my next video. I hope that you like my little squishy. So yeah, bye Lexi fans! Check out Vienna Toy Corner because she loves squishies too.